Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to check someone on Snapchat map. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you simply need to log in into your Snapchat account, after which you simply click on what? Tap Explorer map. After which, so you can click on your location, enable your location. Yep, that's your Google location. So once you enable the location, you can now see this me here. So this is my friend. That's my friend. I'm from Cameroon. So this is my friend, one of my friend here. So even if you have friends in other African countries like Nigeria or other African countries, so you can see most of my friends are from Cameroon, Nigeria. That's it. But if you want to check somebody in the US, or if you have friends from the US, you can see places. So I have some few friends from the US. You can see places from the US. You can see places from other countries. So guys, that is actually the way you actually check for someone on Snapchat map. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. We love you all.